Hi guys, Kandi Blaze here with Kandi's Rods and Customs at 1722 Claremont Avenue in the beautiful heart of downtown Ashland, Ohio. Well, it's rainy and it's wet and I don't even have much voice left because this past weekend was the most epic hot rod show on earth. Guys, it was Rock and Race 2019 put on by the Neff Brothers RV at Dragway 42. Guys, that's the new, the improved, the best, the beautiful track, Dragway 42 outside of West Salem, Ohio, guys. And I'm telling you, boy, does Don Moyer know how to put on a hell of a show. We were out there and I was heading up and hosting up the beautiful flag girls and pinup contest. Guys, and I say beautiful because every time I think about those ladies and all those incredible smiles, it just melts my heart. I had the pleasure of chauffeuring so many incredible gals around in my dirty Gertie at 42 on Saturday. It was fantastic. And you know what? Actually, the pinups were so incredible, but there was a tie for third place because even the judges couldn't figure out who was winning with the points. That's how close it was with everybody. Oh my, and I gotta say thank you, not again to Don Moyer, but Ron and Marion Matcham. Oh my gosh, the owners have put so much into this track to make it absolutely incredible for all of you racers and spectators and sponsors and vendors. Oh my goodness. All right guys, so behind me, who is that? That is Mopar Mobley. You guys saw her out there Friday at Rock and Race, and she's working on my car right now. She might be a little nervous. But guys, I got some really cool news. If you're following our Facebook page, well, guess who's off her probationary period? That's right, that girl right there. She's an official hire-on now here at Kandi's Rods and Customs, and she's got 9 months to go to finish out her full apprentice, and then she'll lose the title of apprentice, but she'll gain the title of auto body technician. Oh my gosh, guys. And then back here, Chevy Cheyenne's working super hard doing what she does best, some awesome metal fabrication. So speaking of metal fabrication, guys, you'll see that behind me? That's a 1970 442 W30 convertible. That's right, guys. Now, follow our builds on the Kandi's Rods and Customs page. Oh, it's a little dark. There we go. Follow our builds on the Kandi's Rods and Customs page, and you can watch this beautiful rotisserie build from start to finish. Now we're gonna make a couple minor adjustments on it while it's back in here, and that is why it is in here, because we wanna make sure that everything is absolutely how the client wants and how it should be. And since the interior is all in that now, there was a couple little tweaks that we need to make to ensure that everything lines up 100%. So, you know what, and while it's in here, us ladies are gonna take a little bit of advantage of that and grab some pictures with it as well. Speaking of that, so speaking of Chevy Cheyenne back there, she's one of the lead builders on this rotisserie build. So what I want you to do is go to our albums, click on that, and check it out, guys, because who builds our cars? That's right, the ladies. Okay, Teacher Tom does too. All right. So he was actually out there at our booth at 42 with the beautiful 1972 Chevelle SS. My gosh, guys, this car actually belonged to Tom's mom. She bought it in 1974, and it's been in their family ever since then. While the shop ourselves didn't do the full rotisserie build on that, our painter and shop foreman Thomas laid out one incredible paint job and some beautiful SS stripes, guys. Okay, so you want to see something else absolutely beautiful and spectacular? Oh my, here we go. Are you ready? Do you know what this is? All right, you may not recognize all of it because, well, it's not all there right now, is it? There we go. That's the old one that came off. We got some new sheet metal to go on back here. So this whole rear quarter is gonna get replaced. We got a lot of meticulous welding to do, some metal fabrication on this beautiful 1932 steel body Henry Ford coupe, guys. I'm not sexy. I don't even care if it's like this done or rare. That is just a sexy piece of history right there. Oh my goodness. All right. Behind it's the 57 Chevy. It looks a little stagnant, but we are about a week out from putting the next rounds of primer on this. We've had Somebody will say, we've had to wait because this is kind of an after-hours project here at Kandi's Rods and Customs. So now that we've got our booth up and our flow going, guys, we are ready to start on this and get this one ready for some of the most insane work that we've probably ever produced. And if you guys know the work that we produced, that says a lot. All right, we got a lighting issue here today. You wanna know why? Because it's stormy and the sun keeps running back and forth behind the clouds. The 1967 Corvette that you guys have been following, well, everything's coming together great on that. Or I should say, everything's getting ready to come off on that. Meaning we've already pretty much stripped her down. Now we're gonna take her off the frame, put her up on a rotisserie, finish any little bit of body work or fabrication work on that fiberglass that has to be done. And then this, guys, is a beautiful full restoration here at Kandi's. Oh my, I'm out of breath. So I got some pretty big news. You guys been following our page. So we've been talking about a brand new mechanic section here at Kandi's Rods and Customs. Do you see that? That's the Atomic Fireball. That's right, guys. That's the Nova. That's the 396 BoxPerformance motor, 4-speed Muncie. I will be street stripping this yet, guys. Don't forget about that. You're gonna see me a few times up at the track driving that car. I can't wait. And then, what's that? Dirty Gertie? Yeah, I know. I've got the Trick Flow aluminum head jet for Dirty Gertie. And I'm just waiting for some of the season to be over. I wanted to get them in sooner, but we're gonna rebuild the bottom end on my original 390 and my 1972 Ford F-250. Then we're gonna put those beautiful aluminum Trick Flow heads on it. I'm gonna put a new set of headers on it, and I can't wait to see what my gal's gonna do. Okay, so I didn't mention something exciting coming up, right? So if you've been following our page, you've noticed that we acquired the rest of the building here at 1722 Claremont Avenue. Well, what's that mean? It means I have a completely separate area, but attached here, that we can go into. I'm gonna take you into it. We're working on it right now, guys. So, oh, I can echo in here. Oh my gosh. This 3,500 square feet of space that I am walking out into is our new mechanics area, guys. How exciting, I say that all the time, how exciting. This is so freaking awesome. How's that? So one of the things I have always visualized for Kandi's Rods and Customs was to have an on-site mechanic shop available. Whether it was your basic oil changes, lube job, brakes, or some pretty heavy overhaul stuff, I wanted to have somebody that I knew I could trust, that my clients could trust. And guess what, guys? We've got it. We've already got a couple jobs in, we've already got a couple jobs out, and oh, getting ready to clean those up because I got a couple lifts to put up in here too. And we're up and running and ready for you. So we just announced a really cool special on oil changes and a couple giveaways to make it really easy for your transition over here to Kandi's. Okay, and oh my gosh, guys, when you come to Kandi's, make sure you enter on Claremont Avenue in our main lobby door into the waiting room / lobby. Our receptionist or myself will be happy to say hi, introduce ourselves, and maybe show you around the shop if we got a couple extra minutes. Anyway, give us a call, send us a text message, send us a direct message. Don't forget to check out our builds. And guys, before I forget, I know that summer's almost over, but don't get too sad because there are a bunch more shows coming up, especially in October. October is my favorite month because Halloween, okay. But no buts, Halloween. So let's just talk about October really quick. First weekend in October is the Halloween thing at Dragway 42, you guys. I will be out there, of course. You know, I will have a vendor spot out there. We're gonna try to encourage some kid giveaways and some attendance for kids since it's gonna be trick or treat and we know all the kids are gonna be out there. So we wanna do something extra special for the little ones to encourage them to embrace the car world and the auto body world and the restoration world and the racing world. Because guys, let's face it, this is automotive American history. So we're gonna be out there for the Halloween thing. Again, that's the first weekend in October. And I'm so honored. The Cruzers Car Club had me do a really cool pinstripe raffle piece for St. Jude Research Children's Hospital. I probably said that wrong, but it's the Children's Research Hospital for St. Jude. And they are gonna auction it off at the Halloween thing. So we were really happy to be out there with the Cruzers as well, to be part of that. And wait till you guys see it. Let's see, October 12th is the second annual Hayesville Vermilion Volunteer Fire Department. Whew, trunk or treat cruising, guys. That's a lot to say in one mouthpiece. Okay, so make sure you check that out. I'll be out there with Dirty Gertie and, of course, the Atomic Fireball. And who knows, we may have a couple other surprises for you, too. All right, I think I've pretty much got us covered. There's some other stuff happening, but I've taken up enough of your time, guys. Enjoy the pictures that are to follow, and send me a message. Let's get you in here or an estimate for your car, truck, classic, or new vehicle. I'm Kandi Blaze with Kandi's Rods and Customs, and I'll see you guys around.